Discover and celebrate World Vegan Day. Ever thought about going vegan but unsure where to start? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 mistakes people make when trying out a vegan lifestyle. Not getting enough protein. Did you know that chickpeas, lentils, and quinoa are packed with protein? You don't need meat to get all the protein you need. Mistake number 2, relying on that processed vegan burger or frozen meal. But many processed options are loaded with hidden sugars, fats, and sodium. Instead, opt for whole foods like fresh veggies, fruits, and nuts. Mistake number 3, not planning your meals. Going vegan doesn't mean just removing animal products. It's all about balance. Make sure you're getting a mix of grains, vegetables, fruits, and plant-based proteins each day. Mistake number 4, overlooking vitamins and nutrients. B12 and iron are essential but often lacking in a vegan diet. Don't forget to include fortified foods or consider a B12 supplement. And finally, mistake number 5, expecting instant results. Your body may need time to adjust, and that's okay. Stay patient and focus on consistency. Ready to start your vegan journey with confidence? Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be off to a great start. See you tomorrow to discover what today's special day presents. You won't want to miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a day's highlight from today's special day.